When somebody asks us a question, for example, do you live in New York? You can either give a full answer, yes, I live in New York, or you can just say, yes, I do. Do here is an auxiliary verb of simple present. Do you live in New York? Yes, I do. In order not to repeat the verb live, again, we can substitute it with an auxiliary verb. Do you live in Chicago? No, I don't. Just like that. We use the auxiliary verb don't. Instead of saying, no, I don't live in Chicago, it works the same way in any tense. For example, did you brush your teeth? The positive answer is, yes, I did. Did is the auxiliary verb of simple past. We use it instead of, yes, I brushed my teeth. And the negative answer is, no, I didn't. How about this? Did you brush your teeth? I will in a second. I will. It's a short form of, I will brush my teeth in a second. We use the auxiliary will for a short answer. I hope you are not going to fire me, says Bob to his boss. Yeah, I am afraid. I am, Bobby boy. I am afraid I am. It's a short form of, I am afraid I am going to fire you. We use it in order not to repeat the same phrases multiple times. Can you help me move my furniture to my new apartment? Asked Sydney. Yes, I can, but I won't. Answers Mike. The full answer would be, yes, I can help you move your furniture, but I won't help you move your furniture. You see how clumsy it sounds? We choose not to repeat the same phrase several times, so we use short answers. Now you try. Make a positive and a negative short answer. I hope you are happy with your present. So the positive short answer is, yes, I am, meaning, yes, I am happy with my present. And the negative answer is, no, I am not. Very well. Let's try one more. Have you watered the flowers? The positive answer is, yes, I have, as the short answer instead of, yes, I have watered the flowers. And the negative answer would be, no, I haven't. I haven't watered the flowers. Stick around for more videos on short answers.